So ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of the Uganda Media Sector Working Group that I am representing here and my own organization, Afri-Media Training Institute, we will have to hand over this to Mr. John Muto P'Lajur, and this is a Journalism Lifetime Achievement Award for his outstanding courage and resilience in documenting and reporting on the 1986 to 2006 civil war in Northern Uganda. So, Mr. Muto, this is for you. Okay.
Wonderful. I want to thank really so much this group who thought of me. So what me say what? I really like the achievement.
My name is Abalo Irene Oto. I am here to represent the team that gave the award to Mr. Muto. We are quite a number of organizations that came together, and we are awarding those who did exceptional work in journalism, not just because they did it for quite a number of years, say 10, 15, 20, but those whose works should be recognized because of the extraordinary nature in which, or the circumstances in which they did that work. So Mr. Muto, his name was proposed when we were in a meeting to organize World Press Freedom Day. And the event happened successfully. 10 partners, including the Media Sector Working Group. That's why you see me in this t-shirt. So under the Media Sector Working Group, we have so many partners. We have Media Council of Uganda that's in charge of this award. We have the Uganda Human Rights Commission. We have Charles, your friend Charles Bichachi, who was really behind organizing everything together with Media Council. And then we also had Media Focus on Africa, my organization, Afri-Media Training Institute. We had UBC, we had Nation Media Group, and all the other partners, including Makerere University. We came together just so we could organize this year's World Press Freedom, but also recognize outstanding work in journalism. And that is when Mr. Muto's name came in the meeting, and then we seconded it, and he was given this award. So this year, there are two exceptional people who are awarded. Those who left journalism, but their work still speaks to the practice of journalism because of how ethical they did the work and their contribution to peace building. So Mr. Muto was recognized for covering the war in Northern Uganda, and Ms. Sheila Mishambi was recognized for covering the war in Rwanda, the Rwanda genocide. And then for institutional award, it was given to the Media Challenge Initiative. Mr. Abasa Mpindi and his team received the award because they're also doing exceptional work with the youth in terms of digital journalism.
Muto uberu dana chen mauno kache ginu mo timu dan dunkan maker wenyu kwiri endo ono peberu luo talo jomu keneni.
Based in Gulu, written on November 10, 1997. Special Presidential Advisor on Political and Military Affairs in the North, Major General Salim Saleh has said he wants to establish a Council of Economic Advisors as a measure of ending the 12-year-old conflict. And his quote, "I need a council to advise me on how to empower the North economically, a council which would not be hampered by politicking," he said.